Hello everyone, I am Jayashree Divte, SST teacher from Signet Public School, New Narre. Industries are backbone of Indian economy. Industries are a place where raw material change into furnished good. Industries are also provide large employment for the people of India. So today we are going to see the classification of industries. Classification of industries has done according to their investment and raw material. Classification of industry on the base of investment. There are three types of industries: cottage industry, small scale industry and large scale industry. So first we are going to see cottage industries. Cottage industries, with the family member and neighbor, we are going to start cottage industries. So for the cottage industry, it don't need so much place or capital. With the small amount, cottage industry can be started. What the potterman is doing? He makes pots and sell for his own earning. But few pottermen come together and they sell their products for the earning, that is called industry. What the tailor is doing? He is stitching the clothes. But when few tailors come together and they start their earning togetherly, that is called cottage industries. Other examples of cottage industries are jewelry making, papad and pickle making, then lantern making, diya making, basket weaving and other domestic products making. Okay, so next industry is small scale industry. Small scale industry is used or it has started on a small amount or small scale. That's why it is called small scale industries. Small scale industries provide a helping hand to the large scale industries. Small scale industries are also provide large employment to the people of India. You can show your talent in these industries and you can earn better. So these industries are very important for the Indian economy, because these industries you can start with the few capital and in a small place. This first example of this industries, you can see again the utensil making and also hosiery making, plastic goods making and other domestic products making. Actually the cottage industries come under the control of small industries. Now third industry. Third industry is a large scale industry. These industries provide a vital role in the Indian economy. These industries need huge place, huge capital as well as large number of employees. So these industries are backbone of Indian economy. Why? Because these industries provide the opportunity of employees to the Indian people, as well as these industries also provide opportunities to the small scale industry and cottage industries. These industries are on the base of agricultural products as well as on the mineral products. So these industries are like cotton industries, textile mills, oil fields and iron and steel industries, automobile industries and as well as electronics. So we have seen the classification of industries on the base of investment. Now we are going to see classification on the base of minerals and agricultural products. It is called the classification on the raw material. So there are two types of industries: agro-based industries and mineral-based industry. So first we'll see agro-based industries. So of course here agro-based industries, whatever products we are getting from the agriculture, that all products are used as a raw material in these industries, as well as in the mineral based industries, whatever minerals we get from the mines, that all products are used in the mineral based industries. Agro based industries, we can use the agriculture products like cotton, sugarcane, oil seeds, etc. and in the agro-based and in the mineral-based industry, we use the mineral products like copper, bauxite, limestones, etc. So, agro-based industries I told you previously only. Now, examples of the mineral-based industries are iron and steel industry, then machine tools making industry, automobile industries, electronics. Okay students, let's conclude me the topic. We have learned classification of the industries on the base of raw material and on the base of investment. So, on the base of investment, we have learned three types of industry: cottage industry, small scale industry and large scale industry. On the base of raw material, we have learned two types of industries: agro-based industries and mineral-based industries. So, here we already have seen the examples of the agro-based industries, that are oil fields, textile mills and jam making factories and also paper making industries. And in the mineral based industries, we have learned iron and steel industries, electronics, mobiles, automobiles, machine tools making industries. So, these industries are very important part of Indian economy. These industries are very important for our life. So, I hope you understand the topic very well. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.